Activities marking the 28th Bar Week of the Nigerian Bar Association Ijebu Ode branch continued with a novelty match between the NBA, Ijebu Ode football team and Ijebu Anglican Football Club. Correspondents witnessed the event held at Dipodina Stadium, Ijebu Ode, and now reports. The football match, which began as a novelty match as part of activities to commemorate the 2026 NBA Ijebu Ode branch Bar Week, soon transformed to a thrill display of skill as both teams demonstrated excellent teamwork and sportsmanship. Both sides strived hard for scoring opportunities and battled for control of the game, but the NBA Ijebu Ode Football Club defeated the Ijebu Anglican Football Club with a lone goal to emerge the winner. Reacting after the match, organizers and representatives of the invited football club described the exercise as a healthy initiative that promotes physical fitness.
Very interesting, very high standard, and the better team won. My advice for the winning team is that they should continue with their practices so that by this time next year we also retain the cup.
A football match, and luckily for us we are the winner with 1-0. So I feel excited, but notwithstanding either the scoreboard favors us or not, what matters most is the spirit of sportsmanship. So it's just to have fun, and we want to appreciate the other team we play with also for honoring our request.
It's a friendly match, a novelty match, of course, and it's just an entertainment game. It's not it's a match because a tournament is on. We just see this as an opportunity for us to bring our various players from various teams together to just exercise themselves, because we are looking forward to having a association team.
The highlights of the event was the presentation of the trophy to the winning team, NBA Ijebu Ode Football Club. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.